The Maharashtra government on Thursday said it is mulling relaxing restrictions and districts will be divided into 5 levels to facilitate this. The 5 level unlock plan has been proposed to the state government and is under consideration. A decision will be taken only after a detailed review. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray led government has said that the implementation of these 5 level unlock strategy will be done after a detailed review. Maharashtra on Wednesday recorded more than 15,000 new COVID 19 cases, taking the total tally in the state to more than 57 lakh and 285 fresh deaths, also added 268 previously unreported fatalities. The statewide toll has now risen to more than 96,000. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conducted a surprise interactive session with students as he joined a virtual meeting with students of CBSE affiliated schools. He also interacted with students' parents and addressed issues related to the Class 12 board exam cancellation. He asked students if they were happy with the board examination cancellation considering the pandemic situation, adding that they should never be tensed about exams. He also asked the students how they will be spending time since the exam have been cancelled. India's youth is positive as well as practical, he said. He also advised the students that health is wealth and asked them what do they do to remain physically fit. The Gautam Gambhir Foundation has been found guilty of unauthorizedly stocking, procuring, and distributing Fabiflu medicine to COVID 19 patients. The Delhi High Court was informed by the Delhi government's drug controller on Thursday. The drug controller submitted that action will be taken without delay against the foundation, drug dealers, as also in other such cases which would be brought to its notice. MLA Praveen Kumar has also been found guilty of similar offences under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, the court was informed. The court asked the drug controller to file status report on further progress in these cases within 6 weeks and listed the matter for hearing on July 29th. Antigua and Barbuda prefers that fugitive diamantaire Mehul Choksi be repatriated from Dominica to India directly, the cabinet of the Caribbean island country decided in a meeting, local media reported. The cabinet minutes published by the media outlet shows that Choksi matter was one of the agenda items discussed during the meeting on Wednesday, where it was held that Choksi is now a problem of Dominica and if he comes back to Antigua and Barbuda, the problem reverts to it. The meeting, chaired by Prime Minister Gaston Brown and attended by all his ministers physically and virtually, decided that law enforcement officials will continue to gather intelligence in the circumstances of Choksi's departure from Antigua. Tesla Incorporation has started hiring for senior level roles in India, according to news agency Bloomberg. The electric car maker is looking for a head of sales and marketing, a head of human resources, the news report mentioned. Elon Musk, the celebrity chief executive officer of Tesla, confirmed that Tesla Incorporation would enter India in the month of January. Musk earlier tweeted as promised in response to a report that the automaker was in talks with several states to open an office, showrooms and possibly a factory in India. Tesla has selected Karnataka for its first plant, Karnataka Chief Minister said in the month of February. There has been reports that Tesla had hired Manoj Khurana, a former executive of India's investment promotion body Invest India, to lead its lobbying and business efforts. The company has also recruited Nishant as charging manager, who will head the supercharging, destination charging, and home charging business for Tesla India. A Tesla fan club tweeted last week that the company had brought on board a senior legal counsel as well. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members, You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.